Hey friends, whether it's your first time watching me or you're part of asedoskitchen community, you're most welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making one of my favorite childhood snacks. I'm not just boiling maize, I'm recreating a simple snack which brings back a flood of cherished memories. I'm using 3 cobs of maize. Place them in a pot, top them up with water and allow them to cook until the maize softens. This takes roughly 20 to 30 minutes. At this point, I check the maize and it has softened to my liking. Never boil the maize in salt water because it will harden the kernels. I eat it as a snack as it is, however, feel free to sprinkle it with some salt if preferred. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss my simple yet tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.